Food processing is one of the top industries in New York State, with over 55,000 people employed in this field in 2021, and the New York State Department of Labor projecting continued job growth in this sector over the next decade. Dairy processing is the second largest food processing sector, employing over 8,000 individuals. New York manufactures a broad range of dairy products, including milk, cheese, and powders, and is the largest processor of yogurt, cottage cheese, and sour cream in the U.S. Over 330 licensed processing facilities call New York home due to the high quality and abundant raw milk supply, as well as the proximity to key markets across the Northeast. A recent report from the Economic Policy Institute found that for every 100 direct dairy product manufacturing jobs created, another 815 indirect jobs are created through suppliers, contractors, services, and more, effectively amplifying the impact of dairy foods processing on the entire New York economy. A common hurdle for dairy foods processors is recruiting and retaining a qualified workforce. A recent U.S.-wide survey of food manufacturers found that over 3/4 of respondents claimed that they experience worker shortages, with 56% indicating that they have unfilled positions and another 21% that believe that the lack of workers limits their processing capacity or ability to expand their business. These shortages not only limit the productivity of a processing facility, causing lines to be shut down and facilities to operate below capacity, it also impacts employee satisfaction, as workers are required to cover additional tasks of positions that are not filled, and this ultimately impacts worker retention. Beyond processing and employee satisfaction, workforce shortages represent a potential risk to food safety and quality. When positions remain unfilled or individuals are expected to perform tasks without proper training and oversight, there is an increased possibility of failures in good manufacturing practices, such as cleaning and sanitation, equipment maintenance, product handling, and other factors that impact the opportunity for microbial contamination. Ultimately, reduced product quality and food safety issues impact consumer trust in the dairy industry and their willingness to continue consuming dairy products. Addressing the workforce shortages in dairy foods processing in New York has been a key emerging focus area for the Milk Quality Improvement Program. Our team understands that workforce shortages, frequent turnover, and undertrained employees are damaging for processors, producers, and ultimately dairy foods consumers. That's why we are working closely with local, regional, and state partners to recruit, train, and match job seekers with open positions in the dairy processing facilities, doing our part to ensure a robust dairy industry into the future.